Okay, this is a basketball problem. So think about basketball. Basketball is a sphere. In geometry, you are to learn the sphere. Sphere, the volume. The volume has a formula look like this. It says volume is 4/3. We're going to times pi and times radius cubed. Let's see what we get. We get a volume and ask us to find the radius of the basketball. You can use pi key on your calculator. You can use 3.14, so you know this. And this is a given. You just need to find out what's this. Let us plug it in. Plug it in the volume. Keep 4/3. Put in pi key, and leave this R, leave this alone. And then let us get rid of 4/3 first. You can do this. You can do a inverse. However, the simpler way is we multiply 3 each side. In this way, here only has 4 times pi times r raised to the third power. I'm going to rewrite it for you. 4 pi r cubed, and here you are going to do 3 times 455.9. I'm going to leave it later for my calculator to take care of for me. In order to avoid the confusion, I'm going to use a parenthesis. I want the r, therefore I'm going to get rid of 4 pi. By dividing by 4 pi and divide by 4 pi. And I don't have 4 pi anymore. I have r cubed. Now I just want r cubed. Therefore, I'm going to ask the calculator to do this for me. I'm going to take a cube root. Cube root. Okay? Alright, here's what you're going to do. You're going to put this guy. Using your computer. Oh, excuse me, calculator. Use your calculator. Of course, your computer has a calculator. So go ahead and do that and find what is radius. And I do have an answer key for this one. The radius is about 4.8 inches. If you know the radius, what is the diameter? Diameter is you times radius by 2. That's how you find a diameter. All right. Another basketball has a circumference. Pay attention to this. This is a circumference. So you want to write down circumference is 2 pi r. Ask you, is this a regulation size basketball? If this r is the same as this, then it is yes. If it's not, it's not. So we're going to quickly plug in. 29 circumference, 2 pi r. Okay, feel free to use your calculator one more time, and you will find r is about 4.6 inches for this part of question. Now, 4.6 is not 4.8. Therefore, the answer here is no. All right, thank you. Thank you for studying, practicing here. Happy learning.